Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Wahwah effect in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one audio, so let's click on it and now I will listen it to show you what is it. I'm testing this microphone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I would like to edit this recording, I need to click on it, and after that I need to go to Effect, I need to go to Distortion and Modulation, and then I need to select here Wahwah options. We can modify here LFO frequency, LFO start phase, depth, resonance, wah frequency, offset, and output gain. If you don't have enough experience with this effect, I recommend you to set here everything on default, because then effects should be really optimal for you. So now I click apply button to make change to my audio, and I will play this recording again. So I click here. I'm testing this microphone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how you see this effect is really interesting. So I recommend you to test it on your projects in Audacity. So if I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.